Good morning. Today we're heading out to the Sacred Valley to check out a few sites around Cusco. So let's go.
Must be in.
Oh my goodness.
Welcome to Guayarcocha community. Around 185 families living here. Lama Hut. Hairless lamb. Lama Hut. Over 3,900 meters. The real habitats of alpacas until 6,000 meters. They are living there. The habitats of them. We used to shed the wool, yeah. What is one of the best, really good garment, baby alpaca, very soft. Thanks to the microfibers that contain the baby alpaca wool adapted to, yeah, to the hot weather or to the cold weather. And already we eat, yeah, you know, we eat alpaca. It's very, very helpful. It's very soft. It's easy digestion. Yeah.
Alpacas
The alpaca meat is zero cholesterol.
versus llamas.
Yeah. If you want, you could extra feed them. For feed the alpaca,
Big difference.
you could go to alpaca feed. Yeah, like a Rastafarian. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Sometimes I don't know how they could see, but they
Just
see.
looking at the babies.
That's what I always say.
Alpaca. Did you try alpaca? Not yet.
Not yet.
Well, you need to
We
try.
decided to do it before we came.
You are in the
Yeah. I was thinking that I probably won't now.
Exactly, yeah.
It's
that
easy the digestion,
yeah,
the meat of
I
alpaca,
didn't have any problem.
but not quite similar of them.
This guy is a
Only two
spitter.
colors of them. They don't have like in alpacas and llamas, black, white, yellow, brown. They only two colors, brown and a little bit white. Yeah, guanaco. They are very gentle. Yeah, they don't bite you. You can go get closer and feed them. Miss?
This guy spit so hard it went through the fence over here.
Oh, the Patrick.
Okay.
Closer, get closer to them.
Just like over
Like
like
me,
reverse
you can
psychotic.
come in and you can hack. One egg in 5 years. One egg. If the couple lose the other partner, they live forever alone. They are monogamous. 50 centimeters when they open the wings. In Peru, we are protecting them and worship because the kind of worshipping of the condors becoming from the ancient times.
So when you see these blankets, each symbol represents something special. They could tell you how many kids you have, what corn you or what plants you were growing, and some, the more you live, the longer your blanket. So this is a history. Amazing.
Face to face. Beginning of Sacred Valley. The name of the town down there is Taray. can notice is one natural geological formation. It's a sinkhole. What happened with those?
Leon Temple.
Yeah, yeah.
Bien, gracias.
Becoming from two words. Ollanti is a Aymara word.
The Incans, they invented Lego. You can see those two pieces there. They're the male ends, and the other female ends will fit into them, and a boulder will be placed on top. Pretty impressive gate. Incan architecture versus the Spanish.
The region made using the gold and silver. Look at this, how this construction. Okay, let's continue.
Bucara, because of the red stones.
The upper part was the most important place because what used it for selling purpose and also for the culture. We are going to continue up there with writing about that purpose.
I'm staying in an amazing little place. It's small, but it's cute. I love it. Queen bed or double bed. It's just me, so I guess you can't see it now. There are some nice Inca ruins outside. So yeah, beautiful little room. How we doing? First night in Cusco. We're holding up really well. Slight headache, but not too bad. Just had an amazing meal, and I decided to give a quick room tour before I mess it all up. So yeah, I'm very impressed with Cusco. Beautiful city. You know, I am just blown away by it. Loving it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Not a bad view from the room. This is the famous 12-sided stone. They're all amazing. This whole lane has some amazing. We're here at the market. I got myself some empanadas, so I think that's the kind of food I'm gonna like. So one chicken, one cheese. There goes. It's good. I think this is the chicken. Pastry is very good. Reminds me kind of like of a pot pie. Cheese is good too. I was worried they'd be too hot. She did warm them up for me. These were 5 sol each, $1.25. So each. So $2.50 for lunch. Not too bad. Okay, I'll catch up with you in a bit. My shoes were pretty dirty, so I better get them clean. A lot of people are telling me I need to clean my shoes. The cathedral in Cusco. There's so many Catholic churches around Cusco. Here's another one. I'm standing in the center of the square. Beautiful day. I was up in that hill yesterday, up where the cross is, lots of Incan ruins. It is an amazing city. I love the Incan architecture. Just the quality of the craftsmanship is amazing. And the Spanish came in and built all these cathedrals over it. Another amazing church. It looks great from the outside anyway. So this is Les Sorciers in Cusco, and this is what $20 will get you. It's only me, but 2 beds, and then a shared bathroom. The rooms are great, but getting into the bathroom is an experience. Big step up, tight corner, but we did it. Some amazing streets. It's nice because they're shaded, they're narrow, so definitely the way to go. I definitely love Cusco and recommend you spend an extra day here if possible. Explore the city, lots to do, plenty of ruins around the city, but make sure you actually check out the city itself. So thanks for watching. Appreciate you all checking in. If you like this video, please drop a like and subscribe for more videos like this.